feel too much, now I barely feel at all. Everything went quiet when I hit the wall. Thoughts don't scream anymore, they just blur into one. No highs, no lows, just a constant hum. No chaos, no pain, just something in my brain. White noise filling up the space where I used to feel something. White noise, I can't feel my face, just a distant kind of nothing. White noise, is this peace or loss? I don't know the difference now. White noise, I just drift across whatever I become somehow. I try to fight the sound before, try to break, to feel, to scream, but it flattened everything like a never-ending dream. Voices turn to static lines, edges lost, undefined. I don't know what's left of me or what I left behind. No name, no shape, no weight, no pain. Turn it off, leave it on. I can't tell what I've become. White noise, I don't resist, I don't fight it anymore. White noise coexist with the silence at my core. White noise, maybe this is the closest thing to peace. Or maybe I just disappeared, and this is what remains of me, still here.